1.
Object. Pick something. Export mesh. Back to main menu.
2.
Pick one. CAS. Accessory or something relevant. Export mesh. Open body mesh. Append. Your item. Object. Mesh 1. Move your object where you want. Now update the texture to fit the UV. If you don't know how,
Find that in the description.
select your example piece if you have one and delete vertices. And join it to your new object.
3.
Remove all bones and vertex group. In the outliner, open Rig Hierarchy and search for a bone, or type it in the search bar. Select something relevant. Copy the name. Back in Vertex Group, make new item. Paste the name. In Edit mode, with your item fully highlighted, click Assign. Go to Wait mode to test it. Re-import mesh. Re-import texture. Done! Air guitar goes wow! For more Pixie tips, don't forget to subscribe.